Mickey Mouse. Say it with me. See you real soon.
We begin bright and early to go to one place where we look back to special days. We depend on each other and learn as we listen. In this place, we're gonna make things happen. As we gather here today, we make a pledge to serve others, to be the best. Let nothing bring us down. Always say we can. Let the whole world know we're gonna make things happen. When the future comes around, we'll turn and see the promise in one's eyes and say there's more that can be. We'll welcome that day, but until then, the future's in our hands and we're gonna make things happen. As we gather here today, we make a pledge to serve others, to be the best. Let nothing bring us down. Always say we can. As we gather here
Welcome to McDonald's sa Sonora and welcome sa first birthday party ni Aya. Okay? Siyempre, first of all, gusto ko munang magpakilala. Ako nga pala si Kuya Jed. Kuya Jed nga ba? Yan lagi ang tanong. Ang magiging party host niyo for today's party. And siyempre sa ating Luzon naman, ang ating magiging party assistant. Pwede natin siya lapitan ng mga inayin natin sa buhay. Huwag lang ang usaping pera. Okay, to start the party, we're going Bibi, Aya, and Maggie here in front. And all of the guests, please stand up. Please stand up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vicky! Ayan! Okay, please sit down po muna tayo mga guests. And then, Vicky, ayan. Ayan po naman first game. Lahat ng kids, kailangan po nandito sa gitna. Ayan. Lahat po ng kids, dito tayo sa gitna. Let's go! Ayan, big circle. Okay. Ang game po natin is Ronald McDonald said. Pag Ronald McDonald said, kung ano pa sasabihin ni Ronald, yun ang gagawin natin. Sample. Pag sinabi po ni Ronald na close your eyes. Close your eyes. You must close your eyes, kids. Close your eyes. Kapag sinabi naman po ni Ronald na sit down, you must sit down. Sit down tayo, kids. Sit down. Pag sinabi naman ni Ronald na talikod, tatalikod tayo. At kapag sinabi ni Ronald na group yourselves into four, mag-group po tayo by four. Ayan, pabilisan po tayo dito. Kaya, kids, stand up po tayo. Ayan, okay. Ito na, simulan na ito ng games natin ng ating first game. This is Ronald McDonald said. Okay, Ronald McDonald said, close your eyes, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, cover your ears, sit down, cover your ears, close your eyes, cover your ears, and group yourselves into three. Let's go, group yourselves into three, into three, into three, into three, into three. Ayan, into three, dapat magkakahat po tayo, magkakahat. At tapos kapag magkakagrupo na po tayo, sisigaw natin ang magic word. Say, happy birthday, I am Vicky. Ayun sasabihin natin kapag nakagrupo ay nakahat na tayo, okay? Okay, balik po tayo sa circle natin. Big nine. Ayan, balik po tayo sa big circle natin. Cover your ears. Stand up. Sit down. 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 Sit down. Sit down. And group yourselves into five. Let's go. Group yourselves into five and say, happy birthday, I am Vicky. Ayan, into five. Okay, thank you very much, our big four. Pero meron silang prize. Ayan. Siyempre, meron din silang prize. Ang big four natin. Say, happy birthday, I am Vicky.
Happy birthday, Ella. Happy birthday, Aya. Happy birthday, Aya.
Happy birthday, Aya! Happy birthday, I am Vicky! Ayan, very good. Okay, big five, listen to Kuya Jed. Ronald McDonald said, close your eyes, sit down, stand up, sit down, sit down, sit down, cover your ears, stand up, sit down, stand up, stand up, stand up po, sit down, talikod, stand up, sit down, stand up, stand up, and group yourselves, sit down. Sit down muna tayo, sit down, and group yourselves into three. Let's go! Into three, into three, into three, into three, into three, into three, three po. Three lang ang kailangan po ni Kuya John. At kay Ronald, three. Ayan, okay, thank you very much for the Flora. Siyempre, meron siyang prize. Kasi lang po natin to. Ang winner po natin for this game ay ito lang. Ito lang po ang winner natin for this game. Kaya kung sino po ang ito lang, siya po ang winner natin. Okay pa sa inyo yung mga guests? Okay, so Ronald McDonald said, kids, listen, close your eyes, sit down, cover your ears, stand up, sit down, and group yourselves into three. Let's go! Group yourselves into three. Ayan, very good. Okay, balik po tayo sa pwesto natin, kids. Balik po tayo sa pwesto. surprise from Baby Aya. And syempre, meron din tayong, gift from Baby Aya Vicky. Ayan. Okay, say happy birthday, Aya Vicky.
Aya Vicky. Happy birthday, Aya.
Ayan. 5 kids po in Team A and 5 kids po in Team B. Kahit yung may prize na or kahit yung wala pa, okay lang po sumali dito sa game natin. Let's go mga kids! Ayan, 5 kids po in Team A and 5 kids po in Team B.
Search all over the world, traveling everyone. Everyone likes ice cream, no matter who they
Dito tayo, straight line. Ayan, tumblan na po yung Team B, isa na lang po sa Team A. Ayan, si Baby Kayo ba, dito na lang. Ayan. Okay, ang ating second game, ang mechanics po ng game natin ay lahat po ng gamit na nasa katawan natin, kids, so hubarin po natin. And then nilalatag po natin sa floor para makabubo tayo ng mahabang line hanggang sa harapan po ng SM Aura. Okay, hanggang harapan po ng SM Aura. Kaya ba natin yan, kids? Kaya natin yan. Okay, I will give you only 2 minutes para mag-prepare. This is connecting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Connect your things now. Sa likod. 7, 6. Sa likod po ate. 6. 5. Pwede po tayo mag-U-turn. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, hands up na tayo, kids. Hands up. Dito po tayo sa harap. Team A. Team A, dito po tayo sa harap. And Team B, dito po tayo sa harap din. Dito po yung Team B natin. Dito Team A. Okay. Ayusin lang po natin yung line. Ayan. Clarification lang po. Ang ribbon po, hindi po siya parte ng katawan ng bata. Parte po siya ng katawan ng cake kanina. Ayan, okay. Hilahin na lang po natin ito. Ayan po. Congratulations! Team B! Palakpakan naman natin mga sarili natin, Team B. And please win your prizes here. Ayan. Okay, congratulations po. Pwede yung pang-overload po na lang muna tayo dyan. Kailangan ma-exercise tayo dyan. Tsaka yung mga tummy-tummy natin para mamaya sa chibugan talagang sarap-sarap tayo. Okay, so kailangan ko po ng 5 adults in Team A and 5 adults in Team B. Let's go! Okay, pagpasok mo yung bola, kami lang po sasabihin ko, yun po ang gagawin natin. Kapag sinabi ko pong jiggleable, with exhibition. Kapag sinabi ko na lang 8, wala po tayong back-outan. Kapag sinabi ko pong spaghetti pababa. Pag sinabi ko naman po, boom taratata. Okay. Okay. Dagdagan natin ang look up. Kapag sabi ko look up. Okay, kung paano tayo mabilis magsalita, ganun po mabilis ang kilos natin. Kapag sinabi ko lang po, shoot that ball. Kukuha po tayo ng isang balon. Hanapin lang po natin kung nasa ng balon. Ng isang balon na pupunta po natin dito sa mga base natin. Paano po ang ating pet? Okay, kung sino po na makapagpuputok, siya po ang meron 1 point. We have 3 points for this game. Okay na po ba? Para mas maging okay, sample muna tayo. Ayan, sample muna. Sample po muna. Dito po tayo umarap sa camera. Ayan. Papalabas po tayo sa ABS-CBN at sa GMA. Kasabay po tayo ng Genesis. Ayan. Okay po tayo. Balik po tayo sa linya. Ayan. Dapat ganun po yung energy natin. Sobrang bilis at sobrang taas. Okay, where's number 4 for our first boy? Number 4. Please, Dahil kailangan mo na yung kinakalaw. Look up, 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 look up.